Hey guys, today we're going to Animal Kingdom. We haven't been in a few years. This is our first time going as Florida residents. I really want to do the safari, maybe Expedition Everest if it's not a crazy line. I know Leia wants some sort of food. We're only going to be there for a few hours, so let's see what we can do.
Look, we saw our first animal.
What do you score it, Leia?
Tastes like dirt.
What did you score the water fountain?
Like 3.
What do I want to order? Oh.
I'll give you a trick because they want you to have it.
Bro, I don't understand how they do all this theming.
What do you mean?
This is insane. I feel like I'm in a museum.
What?
I feel like I'm in a museum.
It is. It's a Yeti museum. It said, literally, there was a sign that said Yeti Museum. Oh, here we go. It's got a footprint. Yep. Whoa, that hurt.
Yeah.
That always hurts. I just love it.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
Why is it so high? I don't remember being so high.
Yep, it's high. We're up there, hon. We're up high. Here we go. Whoa! We're going to go backwards. It's more intense than I remember. He's tearing up the tracks.
It's a lot faster than I remember.
That was more intense, more G-forces than I remembered. Uh-oh. We seem to be stuck. Oh, here we go. Oh boy, hang on. Mickey in some kind of parrot costume?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
C-3PO.
It's got to focus. There we go. C-3PO. Cool. This is my favorite snack. I have We've been here a month and I'm finally getting my first one. And on this channel, we do ears last.
How many bites does it take Ernie to finish? That's 4. Oh.
Leia did it wrong. She ate the ears first. That's so unoriginal. That's what everyone does. Ears first. Everyone's losing bits of chocolate.
I haven't.
Katie also ears first. So unoriginal.
You know how many times I've done this?
300. And counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! What are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino. Computer, full stop! Identify!
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Get it! Get him up now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself!
Whoa!
They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does.
The Totally Sweet Sundae. We're digging in.
For annual passholders.
But what's in it?
Butter pecan ice cream, caramel, chocolate. I think pecan stuff and these sugar. In a waffle bowl. You gonna try it?
Nope.
Why?
Can I try this?
No. This? Are you
just
being
tastes like
for-
vanilla ice
Oh.
Wait, can you actually eat them?
Mhm.
Yes, of course.
It's sugar.
Oh.
Ew.
Sugar. Oh, it's sticky.
No, but I will try this.
Looks like white chocolate.
Actually.
You just pulled it away from me.
It pulled away on its own.
I just ate him. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
I don't feel like it's butter.
Yeah, I'm not getting any butter pecans. It just tastes like
You
vanilla
know
ice
who
cream.
would really like this is Brian.
They already had it.
Oh, they
They
did?
did a video.
What do you think, Leia?
Pecan.
It's good.
It's good. What do you think, Mom?
It's okay, but it's not anything I would give you.
I just got some of the candied pecans,
I have
Did
one
you-
of those too.
but yeah, it just seems like vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, you gotta try it. It's just specifically for us
It's
APs.
yeah, we're special. That's right, APs. It's exclusive. We have to do the exclusive things.
Is it good? Okay, okay. You don't need to devour
Wait,
that.
wait.
All right, what do you rate the, what is it called?
Totally Sweet Sundae.
What do you rate the
You
total?
know, like Crush, totally sweet, dude.
What do you rate the Totally Sweet Sundae?
Awesome, dude.
No, but it's sweet. I'll say 6.
What about you? Oh, okay. You first.
3.
3? No sundae is, by default, a sundae cannot be below 5.
What if it's like,
Anything with ice cream is at least a 5.
what if it's like strawberry ice cream with,
Strawberry syrup.
Still a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 7.
How are those fries?
They're good.
That's it. They're good. Nothing else to say.
She's like saying.
What am I supposed to say?
I don't know.
They're fantastic.
The coleslaw is good.
Coleslaw's good. Alright, let's try it. Let's get a bite with everything in it. Come on. Okay, ready?
Oh, she's doing the dance. She's doing the
There's a lady
dance.
over there eating and she's coming.
Oh my god.
I wanted to tell you that. She's
It's
doing
good.
a happy dance.
It's really good. Oh, I see him too.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the little climbing. Oh, they're so stinking cute.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, they're playing.
Oh,
They're playing rough.
yeah, they are.
They're playing.
Yeah, they're playing, or what are they doing?
They all ganging up on that one. I'm not sure.
Oh.
Does it have a cut on its
Does it have a wound?
Yeah, it looks like it did.
They're leaving him alone now, though. I don't know.
He's running.
He is.
They're gonna gang up them over there. They are.
Is he being bullied?
Going on Kilimanjaro Safari. It's literally a walk-on. Never seen this before. Usually we get a lightning lane, and it's still pretty packed.
Way back there on the left-hand side, you'll find a black rhino.
Oh, yeah. He's nosing those bushes.
Black rhino is the smallest of the rhino species here in Africa. They weigh only about 3,000 pounds, so not quite tiny, but definitely small compared to other rhinos, that's for sure. One there, we can tell that she's female because she does not have any horns. But the horns on the male grade
there you
can
go.
reach a whopping 6 feet long, believe it or not. The bongos are the copper-colored ones that you receive the nickname the ghosts of the forest because they are rarely seen. When they are seen, they like to move very silently.
You gotta do that someday, huh? Walk across.
There's some Nile crocodiles on the left-hand side.
Yeah.
The Nile crocodile can reach lengths of between 10 and 20 feet long. That's just about as long as the giraffe is tall. You'll notice that the leaves on these trees between us and the giraffes all started about the same height off the ground. That's because that's about as high as the tallest giraffe out here can reach. They do it quite
Oh, yeah.
They spend up to 15 hours of the day just eating the leaves and moss off of these trees around us. They're closer related to the fox than they are to the domestic dog or to the hyena. A people by their seemingly gentle and restful nature, they are on the left. They are one of the world's top apex predators. Several wildebeest here to the left-hand side of you. The wildebeest do migrate 1,000 miles during their migration season. They're also well known for their incredibly long prehensile tongues. Prehensile is just a fancy word that means they use their tongues the same way that we humans use our fingers. They're going to use their tongues to grasp at leaves and twigs over their heads. They also use their tongues to clean out their own eyes and ears. Not sure how tasty that would be, but that's just me. Different strokes for different folks, I guess you could say. We've gotten pretty lucky so far. Let's keep on exploring here. Hope our great luck only continues up ahead. They do have more muscles in their trunks than we humans have in our entire bodies, believe it or not. That
Wow.
number is in the thousands.
Wow.
Their trunks are also longer than the average adult human is tall. They get that pink color from the brine shrimp that they love to eat, which is high in beta carotene. The baby flamingo will hatch gray. It'll take up to 1 full year for them to start turning pink. That one there to the left is a female. She's got gray feathers. Males will have black feathers. To the right-hand side on the male lion walking around there on the left.
What are they?
Naked mole rats.
They're
They're blind. At least I
and
think
naked,
so.
blind and naked babes.
Yeah, they're all. They build these tunnel systems.
I said our life is so weird.
Why is
Why?
that life so
Because
weird?
it's just like they'd be like, what do you mean we're just at Animal Kingdom and then in a few hours me and Mom are just going to be watching Love Island? Like it's so weird.
It's kind of cool, right?
Why? You just use the stick to zoom.
Well, just bang your chest. All you gotta do is bang your chest. They'll come out for you. Oh, I don't like this bridge. It's making me a little seasick.
Yeah, there's a viewing station here.
Yeah.
This is, I remember one time years ago, one of them was trying to put on a t-shirt. And
What?
he was getting very upset
You
'cause
saw
it
this?
wasn't working. Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
yeah.
I would love to see that. That's
He was trying to
adorable.
do it. He couldn't quite figure it out, and he was very upset.
Oh,
I don't think we got anything.
no gorillas out here. Nope. Not today.
Are there any animals in this animal tour?
I'm not sure. Thank God this is closed.
What? What'd you say?
That's my least favorite part of this.
You don't like taking the
No.
Rafiki
Nope.
Planet Watch?
No, I hate it.
Well, that's what you can do now. You do the animation thing over
No,
there.
I don't like it. I never have. Lots of goodies. Lots and lots of goodies. Oh, that's the one you wanted. That's the one you wanted. I don't know. What did Amanda do? Did she buy it and then eat the candy
she
for
had
herself?
candy. So
She
we
didn't
need-
pack candy in yours, did she?
She did.
Oh.
I didn't want it though. So we need a half-pound of candy.
Well,
Also.
ask Leah. She'll enjoy doing that. Leah. Oh, I should have known. She's right by the pins. I like these plants. I used to have a bamboo plant, and then, well, I'm not that great at keeping plants alive. So these are really cute. This plant. Spirit jersey. Oh, you can match with your little one. Cute.
I just want to give you options.
Leia's getting some Goofy's powder candy. Always a big hit. Straight sugar.
Where you get a cupcake? You get one cupcake.
There's no vanilla.
This is vanilla.
Well, it's not a girl.
No, I don't. That's a pumpkin.
Oh, look at this. Cute. I didn't know Starbucks had Disney stuff.
Oh, you like that? That's
I didn't know.
actually cute.
I didn't know Starbucks had Disney stuff.
Yeah.
It's like
This
that
one's
little
cute
one
too.
that you got for coffee or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cute.
I love this mug so much.
Aww.
No. It's funny. Tigger, is that you? And it's an actual tiger. I love this mug so much.
That's adorable.
Like, it's so funny. It's actually not bad. $17.
That's cute.
I love it.
We are leaving Animal Kingdom, and I got the Mickey Marshmallow Mummy Pop. It's so good. I love these things. Let's try it. That's a good way to close out Animal Kingdom. Bye, guys.
I think the majority of the animals here are squirrels and birds looking for food. Hello, guy. Just hungry. Aww.